Hello, and welcome to Tiny Takes with Learning Technology. On this episode of Tiny Takes, we will take a look at the whiteboard feature inside one of our newest instructional technology resources, Canva. A Canva whiteboard can be used with students for brainstorming ideas, creating visual representations of concepts, collaborating on projects, developing mind maps, designing flowcharts, annotating text, playing educational games, and even presenting information in a visually engaging way, all while allowing for real-time collaboration with multiple students simultaneously. To begin, navigate to your SSO portal and click on the Canva tile. Next, select the whiteboard option from the design choices you have. When Whiteboard first opens, you can search different whiteboard templates to start with if you don't want to begin with a blank canvas. As you search through the templates, keep in mind that they are all customizable, so even if what you find isn't exactly what you want, you can adjust it to fit your needs. You can see here in the template that I selected that some of the elements are grouped together. I have a few portions of this template I want to remove, such as the group roles block. I'm going to place my cursor outside of the space I want to remove and click and drag my cursor to select every element I want to delete at one time. By clicking above the top left corner of that purple background and dragging to the bottom right corner before letting go of the mouse, you can see the purple frames around each individual element that was selected. Now, all I have to do is click delete. You can see here I deleted several items to clean up the view and prevent it from being too distracting. I want this one to be pretty simple with a space for students to respond to my prompt. Another change I want to make is that I want to go ahead and make a sticky note for each individual student that is there and ready for them to respond on. To do that, I can either use the sticky notes already on here, or I can remove those and then select the Elements menu on the far left side of the screen. To use the notes already here, select one of the sticky notes so that you see the plus symbols on all four sides. Those plus symbols will duplicate one space in whichever direction you select. So if I select the plus symbol on the top of the sticky note, it will place a duplicate sticky note at the top. If I select the plus symbol to the right of the sticky note, it will place a duplicate to the right. In this case, I have 21 students, so I created a sticky note for each of them, as well as went ahead and numbered their sticky note with their class number so that each student has a dedicated space to record their response. Next, I want to restrict the student's ability to move these sticky notes around by right-clicking on each one and scrolling down to lock and then selecting lock position only. I know the element is positionally locked when I click on it and the white dashed frame shows up along with a pencil over the lock symbol. Now that the whiteboard is set and ready to collect student responses, I can click on Share in the top right corner, change the link options to say anyone with link, as well as say that they can edit. This is necessary if you want to collect student responses. Once you have the link setting how you need them, click the button that says Copy Link. You can place the link in the location of your choice or wherever students usually access links from. For me, I will go to my Canvas course where my students have a weekly agenda where they access links and resources, and I will hyperlink it there. Another great feature about using this collaborative whiteboard is the layer of accountability that is visible in seeing each move the students make and their name being attached to it. That concludes this episode on Canvas whiteboards and how they can help you increase student engagement. Thank you for joining us on Tiny Takes with Learning Technology.